You might think millipedes are just creepy, slow garden crawlers, but they're actually some of the most ancient, weird, and surprisingly important animals on Earth. Some can glow, some can roll into perfect armored balls, and others can even spray chemicals to defend themselves. Today, we're diving into 50 fascinating facts about millipedes that will completely change how you see them. 1. Millipedes are not insects. They belong to a completely different group called myriapods. 2. Despite their name, no millipede actually has 1,000 legs. 3. The record holder has over 1,300 legs, making it the leggiest animal known. 4. Millipedes are among the oldest land animals, appearing over 400 million years ago. 5. They were around before dinosaurs existed. 6. Most millipedes are detritivores, meaning they eat decaying plant matter. 7. They play a huge role in recycling nutrients in soil. 8. A millipede's body is made of many segments, each with 2 pairs of legs. 9. They move in a wave-like motion that looks like rippling water. 10. Millipedes are generally slow-moving and non-aggressive. 11. They don't bite humans. 12. Instead, many defend themselves with chemicals. 13. Some species release cyanide-like compounds. 14. These chemicals can smell like almonds or bitter gas. 15. Their defense is strong enough to deter most predators. 16. Some millipedes can curl into a tight spiral for protection. 17. This armored ball posture protects their soft underside. 18. Millipedes prefer dark, moist environments. 19. You'll often find them under logs, leaves, and rocks. 20. They are more active at night. 21. Millipedes breathe through tiny holes called spiracles. 22. They don't have lungs like mammals. 23. Some species can live for over 10 years. 24. Females often lay eggs in soil chambers. 25. Baby millipedes hatch with only a few segments. 26. They add more segments as they grow. 27. Some millipedes can glow under UV light. 28. This is called biofluorescence. 29. Their exoskeleton contains chemicals that help with defense. 30. Millipedes are more closely related to crustaceans and insects. 31. They are found on every continent except Antarctica. 32. Tropical regions have the largest and most diverse species. 33. Some giant millipedes can reach over 30 centimeters long. 34. The African giant millipede is one of the biggest species. 35. Millipedes are important soil engineers. 36. They break down dead leaves faster than fungi in some ecosystems. 37. They are harmless to plants and don't eat living roots. 38. Some cultures keep millipedes as exotic pets. 39. Millipedes have poor eyesight and rely on touch and smell. Their antennae are highly sensitive. 41. They communicate mainly through chemicals called pheromones. 42. Some species can survive underwater for short periods. 43. Millipedes shed their exoskeleton as they grow. 44. This process is called molting. 45. They are extremely sensitive to drying out. 46. That's why they stay in humid environments. 47. Millipedes are often confused with centipedes, but they are very different. 48. Centipedes are predators, but millipedes are decomposers. 49. Millipedes have existed through multiple mass extinction events. 50. And despite their strange appearance, they are essential for healthy ecosystems on Earth. So next time you see a millipede crawling through the soil, remember, it's not just a strange little creature. It's a tiny ecosystem engineer helping keep the planet alive. If you enjoyed these facts, hit like, subscribe, and comment. Would you ever keep a millipede as a pet?